In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add or install scanners on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the launcher icon down your system taskbar and then search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and select that to open that up. And then on the left panel, select where it says device. And then on the right side underneath printers and scanners, should be something that says scan. Go ahead and select that. And it should begin searching for any scanners that are on your network. Make sure that scanner has the credentials and is properly connected to your home Wi-Fi. And then launch this utility and it should hopefully be able to pick it up. And then once you've done that, you can select retry. And then again, it should be able to detect it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that will help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.